Okay, so the new awning's all installed. The guys did it today. They did a really good job, and I'll go up and show you how it works. Okay, so you just crank on that handle and out she goes. I'll have to put this down for a second. Hard to do with one hand. Okay, so there it is all the way out. It's really nice because it provides a lot of shade, which it did when it was installed on my patio, but now that it's up on this deck, the afternoon sun is really brutal. So this is, going to make it nice. I'll bring the furniture back here, and yeah, it's great. And you just crank it up when you're not using it. It really looks nice. There's what it looks like from down below. Good color. Like I say, it provides really great shade for up there. Later, I forgot to mention, the awning is by Durasol. Pretty good unit. It's very easy to crank up and down, and definitely provides good shade up here. So, it was installed by Sunsetter. So, it's gonna work great. Later, again.